Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn collection framework in the Java. So this will be a series. We'll create a separate video for each topic. So this is the first video of this series and we'll learn what is collection. Okay. So why collection, what is collection and when it is required. So in this video, we will understand why Java collection framework exists. Before learning classes like ArrayList, HashMap, it is very important to know why we need collection. So once this concept is clear, learning collection become very easy. So what is a collection? So collection is a group of object stored as a single unit. So you have multiple elements, let's say integers, you want to group them into one collection, or you have a string, you have an object, we can store them as a string. So if you see on the screen definition, a collection in Java represent a group of objects stored together as a single unit. Instead of managing individual variables, collection allow us to manage the data efficiently. Okay, I hope this is clear now. So let me give some example. So real-time example, you can think about, imagine shopping cart in your e-commerce website, right? You use Amazon, Flipkart. So it contains multiple products. So what we can call this cart is a collection of product object. Okay. So collection is an object that represent a group of individual object as a single entity. Okay. So how we store data before collection? So we store in an array, right? We store it in an array. But the problem with array was, array is a fixed size. Let's say if when we create an array, we need to mention the size also. Let's say my array size is 5 or 10 and it was a fixed size of array. And there are very less built-in methods available. Let's say if I want to iterate, if I want to filter the data in the array, there are no built-in methods available. So we need to write lots of logic for that, and it is homogeneous data, no dynamic growth. Okay, so these are the problems with array. And then why collection framework? Okay, so to overcome these problems, we have a collection framework. So collection framework contain lots of interfaces and classes, and these are dynamic in size. If you take an example like ArrayList, we will see that in coming videos. But if you can add a number of elements, like today we have 10 elements, tomorrow 20, 30, you don't need to mention the size of the array list, right? Dynamically it will get increase or decrease. So ready-made methods are available in these classes and interfaces to perform different operations on the collection. Let's say you have Amazon cart. In cart you have added lots of products, so you want products which are price more than 500, so you can filter that. You want a product from electronics category, that you can filter. So you can do lots of operations using these ready-made methods. So multiple data structures are available in the collection framework. So we are using different classes. Those classes are internally using the different data structure, and performance optimized. Okay, so performance will also get increased. So each class in the collection framework will have their own characteristics, use case. So you should, at the end of this series, you will be able to understand like when to use which collection class. Okay. So next, what is a collection framework? So now you know the collection is the group of objects. So what is a collection framework? So framework contain interfaces, classes and algorithms. Okay, so algorithms are internally used, but mainly you will be seeing the interfaces and classes that we are going to learn, and what are the different methods available to perform the operations on this collection. This is the very high level collection hierarchy. So on this top we have iterable interface, which is the topmost interface available in the collection framework. So every class or other interfaces are indirectly implementing this iterable. So under iterable, collection is again a interface, it is not a collections. Okay, collection is an interface. collections is a utility class available, that also we are going to learn in this series. So under collection we have list, set and queue. So these three are interfaces again. Okay, so on the screen whatever see, all are the interfaces. So list interface is implementing collection, collection is implementing iterable. Similarly set is implementing collection, collection is implementing iterable. Similarly queue also. Okay, and under list we have different classes which are implementing list. Under set also we have different classes which are implementing set. Under queue also we have multiple classes which are implementing queue. Okay, and the map is a separate entity, so map is not part of the collection framework. Okay, it is a separate entity, but that also we will cover. Okay, so that's all for this video. In next video we'll start with the list interface and what are the different method classes available under the list interface. So thanks for watching. You can check the next video link in the description.